and welcome to the Community Circle. Please stand. Hello, my name is Commune, and my name is Adhering, and it's time for Adhering. In Donald Word, looking at board, in Donald action, easy. Hello, my name is Watson. And it's time for roll call. We're first grade.
Good job, Maddie. Good job.
Hello, my name is Allie. Everyone is Julie. Let's tell the world. School song. Just
that useful? Thank you, man. Actually, cheat. Just kidding. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to school. This is our first Community Circle 2025. How about that, everybody? Awesome, I love it, I love it. Before I do announcements, I actually want to bring up this second grade class. Can you guys all stand up and come right here by me, please? Watch your feet, watch your feet. Okay, for one, here, you guys can sit over here. They did an awesome job, so everyone give them a big hand. But I also myself, everybody's in a school shirt. Everybody's in school uniform for the first Friday. They didn't forget anything over break. So let's give them a big hand. Good job to the class. Thank you for coming in uniform. Go ahead and take a seat. That is a really hard thing to do, to get every single person in uniform. So good job, community and parents. Thank you guys. Thank you. All right. So moving on to our announcements. How about today? Next week we also have another short week. So yay, yes, yay. And the week after that, another short week. Woo! So on Tuesday, we do have our middle school kids going on a ski trip. Yes, Cooper Richie, he's a ski coach. He's our fellow coach. And they have to be here by 6:45 a.m., correct? 6:30, sorry, 6:30. The other coach, they give him a break. 6:30, because if you're not here, what? The bus leaves at 6:55. We will leave you. I'm not gonna lie, we left a couple kids last year. Do not be that person. Alright? It's a lot of fun, so I want you guys to go. And then Friday, no school. So no school next Friday, okay? Woo-hoo! I just have one more thing. Fast. Thank you. One more thing I want to talk about. It is pretty cold outside, right? Super cold. Please remember, you need to wear your coats, your jackets. If you like gloves, like I'm thinking, if you want gloves, hats, bring them, wear them outside. We don't have hats or hoods on in the building, just a reminder, because we can't tell who you are when you wear them. But we want you to stay warm, and we also want you to be healthy. So this leads to my next thing. A lot of people are getting sick. I actually saw 2 people on your community circle cough on their neighbor. Do not cough on your neighbor. Do not sneeze on your neighbor. Okay? We have a vampire cough, in your shirt cough. Alright? Please keep your germs to yourself. Those are the only things you don't want to share with anybody. Alright, everybody, give me a thumbs up if you understand. Thumbs up, middle school. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want to say anything else? Okay. Alright, that concludes our community circle. And guess what? We're on time, guys. 9 o'clock. You'll hear us. Okay, so now we're going to 8th grade. Go ahead and stand up. We're going to exit. Yes. Go ahead and exit that way. Let's have our 2nd grade class. Go ahead and head on out. Thank you.